How to use DeepSeek R1 for free right now. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open DeepSeek. Simply log into your account using any of your IDs and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply add what you want to search and then click on DeepSeek R1 and then click on send. After that, DeepSeek will simply convert it to DeepSeek R1 version and simply answer in DeepSeek R1 version. As you can see, I have not done anything. Right now, DeepSeek R1 is for free. This is how to use DeepSeek R1 for free right now. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.